How to log in into tax agent account. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. In this tutorial video, I will show you guys how you can log in into your tax agent account. So let's begin. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open any browser you have on your device. For example, I will use Safari. Now search for the tax agent login on the search bar. As you can see, I have already searched for it. Once you search for it, you will see different links and website on your screen. Click on the third link that says tax agent. After that, wait for some second and you will be directed to this page. Here, as you can see, now you can enter your registered email and password. Once you fill all your information, you can tap on login option. But in case you have forgotten your password, you can tap on forget password option. So that's all for this tutorial. In this simple way, you can log in into your tax agent account. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching till the end. Bye bye.